For over 25 years, Solworks has been transforming product design and creation. Its powerful software suite used by millions of engineers and designers worldwide has revolutionized the industry since its first release in 1995.
Now, with the 3D Experience platform, Solworks has taken its evolution even further. This innovative solution seamlessly integrates the capabilities of SOLIDWORKS with advanced collaboration, simulation, and data management tools. With the 3D Experience platform, you can collaborate with your team in real time, regardless of the location, and share designs, comments, and feedback instantly.
In addition, you can simulate your designs in realistic 3D environments, test them for performance and safety, and optimize them for cost and efficiency. The platform's data management capabilities ensure full traceability and compliance by keeping track of all versions, revisions, and changes.
The 3D Experience platform also offers a range of apps and services that extend SOLIDWORKS capabilities and enable you to tackle any design challenge, from industrial equipment to consumer products, from aerospace to healthcare.
Whether you're a seasoned SOLIDWORKS user or new to 3D design, the 3D Experience platform has something to offer.
Join us, Mark
and Wendy,
at our upcoming events throughout North America to interact directly with technical experts and learn more about the evolution of SOLIDWORKS and the 3D Experience platform. Discover how they can help you innovate faster, collaborate smarter, and achieve your design goals. We hope to see you soon.